Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen I. Ford from I. Ford Limited. Continue this project creating and building a epoxy resin tabletop. All these materials are just gathered around the place, around home. And so far it's starting to look something. The preparation stage is nearly there and we just got to apply the first coat of resin before the actual resin goes on top. So I'm just doing some research just now with professional resin producers to give us the right directions. Anyway, come and follow us and join and watch to see the finished quality. So all we're going to do is pour resin all over it, of course in the center here, and allow it to self-level over the edge, which is something that's going to be quite spectacular. So the whole top would be resin covered. Well, so far this is the stage where we are at this point of time. It's all sanded. All the inside here is filled with some of the other designs that we thought it's going to be classic and represent really the family, the R. Ford and the Siosio family. And we have also burned or aged in what we loved to enjoy, giving God the thank you. So at the moment, I'm just waiting for some resins, seeking expert advice, which thankfully enough I did, because the expert said I needed to put down the sealer coat down first before the actual resin that goes on top. Then there's two types of resin, the fast curing one and the normal one. And learning that from the expert has certainly been an opening statement to our resin or epoxy resin tabletop. And this framing here is basically just timbers from my nephew that I just found. I love the profile and found that I can turn it into a basic frame. And I think it's a 6x2. Just fill the inside with whatever product that we have outside, which is basically pine cones that I've cut down. And after it's cut, it's absolutely beautiful than its normal way of, what a pine cone looks like. Some stones, sand, just normal building sand. And of course, macadamia nuts from outside. Some greenery just to bring out a little bit of our basic brownish look that we wanted for the table. So I hope you'll appreciate it. And I guess the next step is just getting the resin poured down and prepare the resin to its final coating. I hope you will appreciate it. I hope you will appreciate it when it's finished, but I'm sure you're going to love it anyway. Our own creation from a simple idea using an old frame, table frame, steel frame, that was going to be biffed out, and I saw, hey, can't do that. That looks pretty solid. And I decided to build this. So we're not finished yet, but I can say we're sort of halfway through. Anyway, Stephen I. Ford from I. Ford Limited, creating an epoxy tabletop or an epoxy resin tabletop. Looking forward to its finished quality, and I'm sure you're going to really, really love it and appreciate it. I love actually doing it. I was quite surprised. And these are just ideas, absolute ideas that come into head, and applying it and looking around your local surrounding what you could use. See you in my next video.